What's up, guys? I'm Fitz. Just this morning, my buddy Kit and I were hanging out, eating pancakes, playing Sonic the Hedgehog, classic game by the way, and we realized just how nice of a day it is outside. And being such a nice day, naturally, we wanted to hit a park. I mean, come on, get some sunshine, see some squirrels, have a picnic lunch, maybe see some ducks if we get lucky, you never know. And the question became, which park should we visit? And beyond that, which park here in the lovely city of Greensboro, North Carolina, should you visit to make the most of a beautiful day? So I want to invite you to explore the parks of Greensboro with us today and find out once and for all, which is Greensboro's best park. You ready? Come on, let's go check some out. So here we are on the north side of Greensboro now, guys. Welcome to Country Park. Here at Country Park, which is actually right next to Military Park, these are two excellent parks for walking, jogging, riding your bike, getting some fresh air and exercise. Just a great place for that sort of activity. But I'm sure you noticed the beautiful lake that's here behind me.
We don't have parks with all these big trees. I was like, our parks are parks, it's just open area. You can see everything. There's a big old deer over there, two of them over here, and turtles. I saw a turtle up there. I saw an eagle.
There's so many trails and he really loves it too because there's just so much to see and explore.
I love the time at the park. Kind of a sanctuary for the dogs.
The good part about this is there's trails that connect all the way down to the park. So it's awesome because I can bike about 23, actually sometimes even 32 miles back and forth from the house, being on trails all the time. There's Trails and Open Space Committee at Summerfield, which I'm also a part of because I feel that this is very vital to the community, and we're very happy how the trails have continued to expand.
So one thing about Military Park, while it's a great place for exercise, it's not the best place for just general recreation. It's not a place for picnics or frisbees, that sort of thing, just because it is a historic military site.
Beautiful day. I wanted to get a nice run in. I like being outside. I like getting exercise. It's close to my house. It's a big open space. There's a lot of paths and there aren't really many other parks like it around.
Welcome to Latham Park. The great thing about Latham Park, it's one of the most active parks in all of Greensboro.
Putting in work. Oh man, feels great. Need to get back into it a little bit more.
Well, I live nearby, so it's super convenient for me, and I'm often here, so and I like it. There are plenty of activities you can do.
We're getting a great workout, B. I mean, we've got this beautiful open area right here with this long trail, you know, for walking, running, bikes, all that. And got this beautiful creek over here. All these parks in Greensboro are fantastic and wonderful. They all are different in their own way and have different characteristics that separate themselves. But I would say by far, Latham Park is probably one of my favorite ones.
All right, so here we are at LeBauer Park, right in downtown Greensboro. Here we have plenty of fun stuff for the kids to play with. You've got a little fountain park. What do you call that thing, kid? I forgot.
It's water fountain?
No, it's
I mean, it's a fountain with water that shoots up. I mean, I don't know what you would call that.
I mean, Splash Park.
Splash Park. Splash Park.
I brought my granddaughter and her friend Azalea to play in the water and to play in the playground. Oh, they love it, yes. Even though it's a little chilly, but they like it.
So grab those bags. First shot hit the camera. Come on, man.
it takes, but we're money.
It's still LeBauer Park, I think.
Oh, you made it!
Spin around and the nice people that come here. This one, Barber Park, and those are usually the only parks I go to.
Welcome to Center City Park in downtown Greensboro. It's right in the heart of downtown, hence the name Center City. Right behind me there's a dance recital going on right now. Always lots of action here in the park. They do drum circles here in the park, live music, also acro yoga, lots of fun stuff.
Mainly just to come out and just enjoy the weather, using our bodies to its full potential.
Parkour, seeing parkour videos, people training and doing that type of stuff. Came downtown one day and saw a group of people doing it, and I joined up with them about 6-7 years ago. It's just been practicing ever since.
Having fun music, watching the girls dance, supporting the kids, great time.
So here we are at Lake Daniel Park in Greenway. The Greenway cuts right through here, so lots of cyclists, jogging, walking, and then of course you've got the hoops court right behind as well, so a great place to get a game of basketball in.
Everything, man. Point guard, shooting guard, center, big man, small man, pretty much every Sunday. So I actually stopped at Lindley Park before I came here. So that's what I do. I just drive around the parks in the city, find who I see. It's a few guys running and playing, and I just go play with them. If I have to say I have a favorite park, no, not really. Not really. It's just whichever park is going to give me the best workout that day.
If I can let me just see if I can squeeze through here and just do the shot. No, that's probably not gonna work. Actually, hold on. All right, guys, so welcome to Lindley Park, which is actually joined and connected with the Greensboro Arboretum. Lindley Park is great because you got basketball, you got playground, you got open fields, you've got baseball, all this fun stuff. The Arboretum is amazing, perfect place for a quiet walk through the woods, enjoy the flowers, enjoy the plant life, wildlife.
Well, we're here because we're playing Pokemon Go and...
Okay, so there's actually a lot of stops and gyms around here for like a lot of people in the community that play Pokemon Go. On top of that, it's like a really, relaxing place to walk around to.
You're interested in putting together like a special event of some kind, you can get some information from them, and they can tell you a little bit more about the history.
Hey guys, if you're looking for a quiet stroll in a very peaceful garden, another great option is the Gateway Gardens here in Greensboro off of Gate City Boulevard. There's a lovely children's garden, great place to take young kids. Not a great place for pets though, no pets allowed, but it's just a very peaceful place. Also open grassy area, a vegetable garden, and even a rain garden as well, which I'm not quite sure what that is, but they have one.
Yeah, it's Garden Gate.
Gateway.
Gateway.
Gardens.
I almost knew the name of it.
It's beautiful. I love it, especially the children's area. We were just talking, our grandson, who's almost 15 months old, I want to bring him back when he gets just a little bit older so he can play here.
All right, so welcome to Barber Park, guys. This is a great place for the kids to burn off some energy. There's a great playground here, and there's also a walking trail that goes around the park. But in the playground, you've got swings, you've got slides, you've got a little climbing wall.
Of course, it's playground, but we're in the fall right now. Kids want to go in, cool down.
Did you guys win the football game?
Yes, it was our homecoming.
How many sacks?
I got 2 sacks. 3. We played for the Ducks, the Triad League Ducks.
I found a T-Rex and dinosaur.
You found a T-Rex dinosaur?
No, they have so many.
Yeah, we do the walk trail around the back. Just trees. It's kind of quiet back there.
I found a Triceratops.
It's a good day to bring your family out, you know, have a good time, and go get a run in, you know?
Yo, I think we just discovered a disc golf course as well. Man, I've been meaning to try that.
See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows. Get the rush in, heaven only knows.
This is the Bicentennial Gardens here near the Friendly Center in Greensboro. Now the Bicentennial Garden is named that way because it was created for the 200th anniversary of the United States of America's independence. The great thing about this park is there's lots of beautiful places to shoot pictures, have a great picnic, beautiful flowers and gardens, plenty of shade from the trees.
Plant some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights.
So welcome to the Bog Garden. We're right across the street from the Bicentennial Park, and this is a great place to get outside, take a nice quiet walk. There's a little pond here.
Dr. Joe Christian was the man who had the vision for the park. He walked in the Bicentennial Park with his wife, and he looked across the street and he said, you know, this land is not being used, but that it could maybe be enhanced. So he went to the owner and he asked her if she would donate the land to the park to make it into a place where people could enjoy it. And she agreed. And he worked with Greensboro Beautiful and the Park Service, and he got some volunteers to work with him, and he called the volunteers Bog Buddies. It became, I think, a community project, and people love it. People just come here I come here for therapy.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, guys, and checking out all these amazing parks that Greensboro has to offer. Also, thank you to all the people who maintain and operate and organize these parks.
And we'd like to send a special thanks to the community and the people of Greensboro for allowing us to feature them in this video. We'll see you next time.
It's his birthday today, so he asked me to...
The T-Rex is dying.